especially if you have stubborn hair like me, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Welcome to the channel. So if you want to see how I went from permanent dye black hair to burgundy and charisma, just keep watching, because girl, it was a process. Let me tell you one thing. Your girl had some ups and downs, but we're going to get through this, and I'm just going to show you the different processes of what I did to achieve this look, and it was not easy, and I do not recommend anybody following what I did. My curl pattern did loosen a little bit, especially around the front, but it's okay. It's all right. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and no, I will not be dyeing my hair again for a next couple of months, okay? So again, do not follow what I did. I know I did some wrong things. However, I'm just sharing, okay? But other than that, let's get into the video. Okay, girl, if you got your mask, please put it on, because you are going to need it. All right, so first we are going to lighten up the hair, okay? This is what my hair looks like. Cross fingers, let's go. All right. It's lifting. My hair has really grown a lot, you know. I'm 5.5 months post big chop, so oh goodness. But the front, oh my gosh, look at that. I probably should have started in the back. So tip, start from the back first, like I saw the girls do. Start from the back, then work your way to the front. I thought that because I don't really have a whole lot of hair that I can just start in the front, but no, start from the back and work your way to the front. The front is literally multicolored. The back has not made it there yet. My hair has pretty much stretched out some, so just letting you know that your curls might elongate a little bit more, which I could use a little bit of help because the front is shorter in the front than it is in the back. But girl, the back of my hair don't need to be stretched out anymore, okay? All right, so I am blonde white right now. It's time to wash this out. I'll be back. All right, guys, so the reason why you see it a little bit white is because I went in with the 40 developer, because the roots, it's a whole nother vibe, but the roots of my hair is still, the ends of my hair is still black. The back of my hair is completely black with a strip of tiger back there. So I'm just going back in, and this time I'm going to put a plastic cap on it so the rest of the hair can lighten up a little bit better. And then I'm gonna get back on, and then we're gonna do the burgundy, and then hopefully this comes out right. my hair is not gonna lighten up anymore. I mean, compared to what it was, it is light enough. I mean, I'm literally turning blonde at my roots. Like, I think I left it on just a little too long. All right, so let's go ahead and get the applicator for the burgundy. If this does not work, then I'll be going back black. If I had a cigarette, I would smoke it right now. Especially if you have stubborn hair like me, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. This is why I'm glad I bought the backup. And the fact that I bought blue black, I don't know. What was I thinking? I should have just did black. Okay, so there's something that I did not realize. Looking back, you can tell my hair is red, but it's a little bit dark, which is fine. I was not trying to go for some bright red color. It was more like a burgundy black, something more settled. Now, I could have gotten away with this, but I didn't learn this until 4 days later. But you'll see a little bit later once you keep watching. But all I had to do was style my hair with the gel and then wait a few days and you'll be able to see a little bit of the burgundy. So I made a mistake by going blue black or even trying to go black. I should have just styled my hair like everybody else did when it looked like the color didn't take, but once they styled it, you was able to see a little bit of the red. So yeah, girl, this was a huge mistake going back black again. So just keep watching. I think the red is gone now. All right, so I'm back again. Literally 4 days later since the last time you saw me trying to attempt to do my hair. Okay, so I went to the hair store after further research and just researching online. I picked up these two. All right, so this one is the high color highlights for dark hair. This is in the color magenta. Then I picked up the same brand high color highlights, and this one is in true violet. So it's supposed to create this like vibrant, I guess, burgundy color. Hopefully it'll work. Now what is weird is that this is the violet and this is the magenta. All right, so I just pour them both in. The magenta is short and the violet is a long tube. This one is short. I clipped it on the end so I can get all the contents out versus just using the little tube here trying to squeeze it out. All of this came out in like literally one big squeeze. All right, that's a tip. That's a huge tip. All right, so then now I'm going to go in with this 30 developer. Okay, gonna pour that in to get kind of like a thick consistency. Not trying to get like a soupy looking color, but just a little thickness. All right, now another tip: if your hair is black, especially with me, because I was dyeing my hair permanent black. The last time I dyed my hair permanent black, that was August, so like a few days before my birthday, so it's like the second week of August. Going in with a temporary hair color is not going to work for you. That's tip one. It's not going to work, okay? So you don't want to... Wow, this is red. Okay, so you don't want to do that. I don't know what went wrong the last time I tried this, because I used the lifting color it lifted off, but as soon as I put the red color in, it's just something about that box. What was it? L'Oreal? No, not L'Oreal. I'll put the box on the screen. It's just something about that hair color box. It does not work. Now, it'll work for me like when it comes down to like if I wanted to dye my hair black or jet black, that'll work. But anytime I try to color my hair, it does not work for me. I don't understand why. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's still maybe a little thick. Whew. Looking a little dark. So I'm gonna finish the rest and get into like my ends, my roots, and then I'll get back on camera. All right. I'm a bloody mess right now, so wish me luck. Up here. So it's kind of dark, like it's not really bright. Hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. All right, and comment down below if you want to see my timeline of my 6-month post big chop. I'll be happy to put that out. I'll probably put it out regardless, but just want to share that information with you. And I also do weight loss videos on Sunday, so check your girl out. Until then, goodbye, gorgeous.